Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. And what I've done is I've taken my communist tap and die set that I just had to buy, and I've compared it with the thread of the nut. So that's the right thread. Like I said, it's M58 laser engraved into this. So those two should match. To get the right size of the hole, because I don't know, all I have is, you know, good old American drill bits. So I've taken the nut and I've gone just a hair smaller than the threads. So it'll go in. The little nylon thing is kind of a factor too here, but it'll go in, but it's not going to cut the threads. So that'll give us the inside diameter of the threads. Take my tap. I think we can do the outside one. I want to get one in before I drill the second hole. And we're just going to cut these threads. So you want to go forward a little bit, and you want to go back to break the chips out. Because if you don't, you'll break your tap. This hole might be a little bit small. Yeah, I'm going to risk it. We're going to try one size up on the drill bit. See if this makes a mistake or not. I'm sure there's a number that you're supposed to use. I don't have it. That feels better. Yeah, it feels a lot better. Yeah, we're through now. I don't want to go too crazy with those drill bits, because you go too big and then you're done. Okay, so there's one hole. So let's see if it works. It's a little loose. Got crap coming out the bottom. It's a little loose, but it'll work. Put a little Loctite on there. Stick that bad boy in there and it should hold. Yep. Okay, so now we're going to do the next one. I've got to get find an Allen key that works on that. So we'll do the next one. Where's that plate? We'll do the next one, and then we'll take this off, and then we'll do the other two. I need an Allen key first. If you get some chips stuck in there, just like I just did, take the tool out, blow it off. Get them out. You don't want them bound up. You break this tiny tap and you gotta go buy another one. This one took me 2 days to get. Some tiny tap. That should be 2 down, 2 to go. There we go. It's a little loose, so maybe the bolt was cut wrong, or maybe the tap's made wrong. I don't know. We'll put some Loctite on it. Next step is going to be to drill these back holes. But as you can see, they're kind of under. We're going to take this off. We've got our 2 here. I'm actually going to put the bolts in so that these holes have to be in the right spot. Now we can drill these 2 inside ones out. Start with a little dent in both spots. Now let's get this out of harm's way. We got our little dents there. A bit of lube. Get our little tappy out. Cheap Chinese stuff. Doesn't even stay in the holder. But it's getting it done. That's all that counts. That's what I'm talking about, these little pieces here. Gotta clear the chips out, because if you just wail on this thing, you'll snap it. All right, let's test the holes. said, they're a little loose. We get a discrepancy between the bolt size and the tap size, I guess. But we're done with that now, so we can move on.